Hey guys, and welcome to another video. And guys, I have great news for you. I already sold the Volkswagen Polo. As I told you, this project was like reaching in the end. I was finishing the last details and finishing, fixing that small things. The good things for me, it's that, and believe me, that touch me in a very positive way, is the trust that the people put when I sell the car. I list the car in three platforms, basically in marketplace, and then in two Portuguese sales platforms. Guys, it's impressive because I received a lot of people, a lot of messages, and I had the pleasure to choose for who I want to sell the car. That also happened with the Micra. When I list the car for sale, I listed everything that I did in the car, and of course I said that I was selling the car not to make money, but because I create videos on YouTube. As I always said, I don't pretend to win money with the cars, so I don't pretend to have profit, but I just need to get the money that I invest in the car so I can invest in another car. And that happened with the Micra, and that happened also with the Volkswagen Polo, and that will happen also with the next project that I already have, and you will see it really soon. Guys, it was impressive because the new owner of this Volkswagen Polo, it's a really good girl, and I'm really happy that I choose her. I sell to an 18 years old girl. It's the first car, and guys, for first car, this car, and for a girl, this car is really cool. But what was impressive was because I have three people waiting for an answer. So if I didn't sell to Daniela, which is her name, and I will try to show you in this video, I will try to deliver the car to her and show you. So what will happen, it's basically I have to finish a few things that I'm gonna do in this car. Basically, you remember the leak that I have in the door lock module, it starts leaking again, so let's fix it on the right way because I don't want the new owner have any problem in the car. So guys, I promised to Daniela that I will fix, of course, the problem of the door locking module. I have another one to replace, and I will do an oil change and filter so she can drive the car safely and she can enjoy the moments in the car. I don't have to bother to do oil change, so guys, in this video I will take care of details. I will try to show you the delivery of the car. I will try to do the best I can to give her a nice and really good car. Guys, that's my mission. I get the undervalued cars to create videos, not for profit. Of course, in this car I passed what I imagined at the beginning. That's the truth. I spent more than 2K in the car, mainly because I have to paint all the car, and that was 600 euros. A windshield 200, so it's 800. The other things, it was for parts. So guys, let's replace the door locking module, replace the oil. So guys, I will take care of the details the best I can to give her, that feeling of the new car. And basically this is a birthday present, so I will try to do my best to give her something special. Okay guys? So guys, let's give Daniela a nice birthday present. Let's go. So guys, I don't know if you will hear it or not, but take a look. It's leaking again, and let's fix this the right way. I usually don't do that kind of jobs, I try to add silicone or sealant in anything, at least it was a requirement, but guys, don't do that. Let's do the things on the right way. So I will replace this model is dead, and let's install another one. So let's go.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep 'em out your face, no way, you don't want it, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy, the enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me, I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this, freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus, living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it, go on and take your aim, yeah.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's
can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range, cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. Try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. Your check is I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, that's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I leave an impression and take your redemption. Just kill no discretion, your mind is a weapon.
So guys, as you saw, brand new oil filter, and I fixed the door locking module, and today is the day that I have to deliver the car to Daniela, and I'm driving to my mother's house to get the car, and I'm going to deliver the car today. So guys, this will be the last video of the Volkswagen Polo. The next video will be a new project. But it's raining. I will try to make a little bit of footage with Daniela, but unfortunately it's raining. I don't know how it's gonna be, but let's see. Let's get the car, deliver the car to Daniela, and I hope Daniela enjoy the car, get happy moments, and make it function. It's a car. So guys, let's go to give Daniela a nice birthday present. So let's get the car and let's go to Daniela to deliver the car. Let's go.
Então,
Olá, Daniela.
olá.
Então, tudo bem?
Sim, tudo bem, obrigada.
Olha, diz-me uma coisa, o carro estava de acordo com as tuas expectativas, não estava?
Sim, por acaso até estava acima do que eu achava, porque, pronto, como é um carro antigo, não estava à espera que
tem
estivesse
22
também
anos.
conservado, mas superou as
Ok,
expectativas.
ótimo. Pronto, na realidade o carro não dava para fazer melhor, eu gostava de ter feito melhor.
Sim, sim, sim,
Só que eu tornava inviável a venda do carro.
claro.
A descrição que eu coloquei lá, tive cuidado de colocar e entregar-te as faturas todas para tu teres a certeza que tudo foi trocado. Mas o que é que te levou, o que é que te chamou a atenção no carro? Qual foi a primeira coisa que tu olhaste e disse assim, é isto que eu quero ver?
Então, eu estava a pesquisar no LX e apareceu-me o carro assim, porque foi assim mesmo, apareceu. E eu assim, este carro parece mesmo impecável, está todo direito. E assim, pronto, vai ser isto. Eu liguei, mandei mensagem logo, e pronto, acho que foi destino mesmo.
Pronto, a Daniela foi a primeira pessoa que me pediu para trazer, ou melhor, para levar o carro ao mecânico.
Sim,
E
sim,
foi esse o motivo pelo qual eu olhei para ti com mais cuidado.
claro.
O que é que te disseram quando o carro? Eu não faço ideia o que é que te disseram. Mas o que é
Assim,
que disseram?
o que me disseram é que ele estava impecável a nível de mecânica, só pronto, aqueles acertos da pintura, mas de resto estava tudo certo.
Pronto, e quando tu viste? Estava tudo normal,
Sim, sim,
conforme tu achavas?
Sim,
Ok. Olha, Daniel, eu espero que tenhas muita sorte com o carro, que ele é um carro e espero, com 22 anos,
Sim.
obviamente, com um defeito estético aqui e ali. Mas eu espero que ele sirva para o teu propósito e que dure muitos anos e se precisares de mim para alguma coisa,
ok.
já sabes, estou
Tá bem.
disponível para tudo o que
Obrigada,
possas precisar.
igualmente, está
Tá,
bem?
Daniel, obrigado.
Obrigada.
So guys, Volkswagen Polo is finished, have a new owner, mission complete. So guys, another project will start really soon. I'm really excited to start this next project because it's something special to me. I will show you very soon. So guys, thanks for watching. See you soon. Stay tuned.